that chapter the topic last the commercial unit of energy. Again, so energy peju tang sa that chapter half the energy ka jiru da. So the energy ki SI unit ka to joule da. And then I think energy da work done the da. So work done ka SI unit ka re so joule imba. So the work done, energy, time taken, power sama link in sama to correlate da. The commercial unit of energy, nampi also literal meaning commercial na chongte labora. Okay. So the also kin nang na so so tanda kiras kin nang na dekyo doctor so kiras nang dekyo kana ani palam na kichiti da ani lockring teo. Dawa lockring teo da dawa lockring tenge de yore khashe ya lockring te mo churing te chora khashe ya khamba e la ja dokto dawa china tenge de yora khashe khamba chipera ji khamba karan ga ji jimba loga anchu ga ji jimba loga ji jimba loga ti do so di la di ko dawa la di dawa chip na no la nima khazu ren ta alternate ma ji ne jo generally sumchu ra nima sumchu into 24 ani into kare ajo unit che ne energy logi pena loga ji bil pa na energy khajo consume ji do de la pa ani meter na reach ne unit re changa kya ne kare ani pesha propora ani unit rate la koncho kita fixed rate jisyo komo khajo pa komo ni sum shi nga khajo ne okay so dinde che nga jo na concept kocho ji do commercial unit of energy na go inje this. The energy used in households nang las la nangje and nang as a whole overall nangje chala kam re gaji majo ta beje na bino ima beje chala re la so gi chala di energy electrical energy khajo consume jiudo dikpa kora la kare potential energy yore antina singe ta potential energy thengi di lago marta potential energy sheba electricity thon she gorda electricity chapter ko na chuana jangra voltage khajur do volt power khajur consume jiudo 100 watt 5000 watt like that then a geyser da television ina tv gi lo nyunga consume chis osa so ane ya dina shin gi geyser ina bed ma consume chis pena jo geyser chi on china no dim chagda tube light parko dila du kana no line chi dine thengor de shukche chi thengor so dila du kana geyser gi electrical energy di consume mama chigor ane tv ina kala kansam gi ni fridge da jogi ya tv da washing machine to na washing machine gi mama consume chigor okay da di consume chi overall nangla nangje khajo yene di gi overall bill di kare hajo chulo la board ka ani kare reading units ton okay meter ane reading di ani unit re chine ba ji ga bora o unit che da an janga chi. Okay. The energy used in households, industries, so that energy that the most common energy the electrical energy Russian by energy in industries and commercial establishments are usually expressed in kilowatt hour. Okay, so that energy consumption unit kare peju tangi de la na kilowatt hours dawa chuzu nima basa antina shinki lo inda ga ji ga byo za ani unit che peju tango res dengi ajo watt ina joule per second na peju tangi do ge na ajo kilowatt an time de che peju tango unit che hour na okay so kilowatt hour ta 1 kilowatt hour na ani link khare re dewa amo 1 kilowatt hour koran khare na 1 kilowatt hour na kilowatt chik che into hour chuju chik na 1 kilowatt na thengya so dosa sa watt ta dewa kilowatt na ani power ge unit che ta 1 kilowatt na ani 1 kilowatt chik yes sir or de la watt ajo re 1000 watt okay so de la 1 kV na 1 kilowatt na into 1 hour chuje chik ta 1 kilowatt hour jina value ajo re na ma pa pe thengya so watt ta joule ta second na jang de de ma pa be value bo chuje chik di unit che ta ma pa ko da 1 kilowatt jina watt ajo re 1000 watt and 1 hour na second ajo re 36 second cutting 36 60 into 60 choose chik now no la kama khazo re chu 60 seconds 60 second ina minute chik la no choose chik na kama khazo re minutes khazo re chu and minute chik la second khazo re chu so 60 into 60 that you gala 66 36 and 0 ni gap 3600 seconds so the value dikhare 1 kilowatt hour की value ता दुना तिनी मल्टीप्लाई चिने and 3 6 and 0 का तो मात्रा यहाँ इधर चिने तो 3.6 into 10 to raise power 5 0 का तो 10 to raise power 5 joules ना लेने तो रे okay 3.6 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 to raise power 6 decimal यहाँ तक ना है ना and 36 into 10 to raise power 5 लेने तो okay so that is commercial unit of the energy derived ता जो calculation चेरा अंतने चेप्टर चोकरा Okay, what problems nganzo tangbo nganzo kachi lana thiwa di ko chue chura si dengya kharsa khandesle me hamara thiwa tangbo ni wa che ante ne nganzo jamsha chi okay what problems on commercial unit of the energy an electric bulb also bulb bulb pichutan to on the electric bulb these or the power khajo re 40 watts w lana watts the power to ko la che gi diba la khar chure light produce yura nabu di la tang chikte gola di khare ani khare la che gi diba na so lighting produce che gi diba khajo re 40 watts electric bulb tela is used for 3 hours choose sum pichutan khajo nimare la choose sum bulb di nimare la choose sum par ni sha oza choose sum ta nimare la choose sum parnas electrical energy consume chigores ta calculate the units of energy consumed in one day by the bulb chesa hajuta conservation of energy in the environment that the resources that conserve chi lo go mena ses room chik la de room so nang room ni sum yona ai room chik la de shemba tu bijo tangi mena shemba tu lo ses no se khachin de electrical energy eme ane kare consume chi to horta to light par ni sha na ta nang shemba chila so electrical energy so to consume chi light produce an page light produce chi du yani ke chi wo mara wana to akacha thongyo di kacha produce chi light produce chi di la ke chi wo mara so di du kala se la bo inje this energy consume chi wo res energy consume chi wo la electrical energy phejo tambo okay da electrical energy khajo phejo tambo to skesi bulb chi ane choose sum nimare la choose sum phejo tamna chikche diwa tambo niwa khajo used to light of 50 watts ta to neje jodo bonni di khaza used to charge the calculation di jara diwa di da dewa yo nima ma dawachi logic dawatu in the phejo tamna la di da ne multiply chi to khajo used to light of 50 watts tube light ki power khajo re 50 watts osa in 4 hours per day nima chi la choose shi phejo tambo ane tube light de la che gi niba khajo re 50 watt la che gi niba dia sena lighting produce che gi dio dia sena ko la niwa transfer chura tingi optan le do optan che la electrical energy asa energy transfer chura so electrical energy the light energy the transfer chura a shine tube light di la che osa so la che gi niba khajo re 50 watts watt lana wd watt power gi unit da niba le choose shi bi tang ता करे जो तम जो करना लो आजो कंज्यूम चिगोरे निमानी ना ओजा ओके दिसे जे पर डे ला दी ना निमानी ना आजो चिरेस लरा solution tambo che ne given electric bulb of 40 watts power to the W to the watt 3 hours per day time 3 hours shaza so kare commercial unit of energy consumed here okay electrical energy ha consumed okay ta energy che la khare te do dil ling ta ne ani ngan so kare unit share khare biju tang la so 1 kilowatt hour ne biju tang la sa 1 kilowatt hour 1 kilowatt hour ne di commercial unit la biju tang 1 kVh la na kana re 1 kilowatt hour okay so hachote do 40 watts 3 hours ta 40 watt dinga so hachore kilowatt la change ho is equal to 40 watt lana 40 into 1000 watt kilowatt la change na chuma de chen divide cheers unit chuma de chen la change na divide chera so what the kilowatt la change na 1000 dine cancel dine 2 2 2 5 2 1 2 25 1 by 25 chasa 1 by 25 che 8 hazare 3 hours which is equal to 313 by 25 which is equal to 3 divided by 25 3 divided by 25 0 25 ones are 25 much nada 0 25 2s are 50 0.2 0.2 units now the units commercial units kach energy 0.2 the unit rate la pesha ajoi komuni komosum komonga khasu keriya so unit years pichutan 0.12 majo unit dt ne dore yana energy consumed is equal to 0.2 kilowatt hour okay choose chik namola digas consume chigore stars 0.2 choose chik namola digas kilowatt hour digas kare consume chigore kilowatt hour leda okay now next the can't use that todan answer solution given power theta power P is equal to 50 watt in 4 hours okay time 4 hours per day unit series consume demand day by the one okay that the units ra 1 day la gana 0.2 into 24 church per day the 2 days chida 2 na chira so calculate the units of energy consumed in 1 day la gana unit chikra ta 1 day la into 24 24 hours. So that is E is equal to 1224 Okay, 24 into 0.2, 24, 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, just 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4. And then 1 zeros are 0, 1 zeros are 0, 1 fours are 4, 1 fours are 2, just 0, 0, 8, 8, 2. Decimal sheet. Decimal sheet 2.88. 24 into 0.2, 0.12. 24 into 0.2, 2.88. Yes, the decimal sheet around the cheapest placement cheapest, so that is 2.88. 2.88 energy for 1 day per day. 2.88 energy consumption is this. Okay, 34 hours done. Next, the electrical energy consumption. Calculate the unit energy consumption in 2 days. Electrical energy consumed. This is a statement. This is 1 kilowatt hour glass. 1 kilowatt hour 1000 watts into 36000. Okay, second. Installed. Kilowatt okay, kilowatt watt la change is watt la change in hour just this second la change the watt la change this second la kilowatt la just then this okay, 1 kilowatt hour 1 kilowatt hour so okay, the kilowatt la change 1 by 20 this timing the second la change. Timing the second la change here na 3 hours na 3 into 3600 seconds. Hajin 1 hour to last 60 minutes, minute to last 60 seconds, which is equal to 3600 seconds. And choose sumera in the store. That didn't want this. Okay, that deal at the color. I cancel chair. Energy consumed is the units of energy consumed we multiply it now. 36 into 3, 36 into 3, 6, 3, 18, 3, 3 is 9, 10. So it's a running 6, 3 is 18, 3 is 9, 10, 1, 8. Count the last 1. So 10800 divided by 25. That's 이게 아주 watt 디 kilowatt 라 진치 아니 r 디 second 라 진치가 r 란자 되어라 땡기 란자 땡기 process 2 within note 디 kilowatt chen 디 time 디 second 라 진치다 네 또 땡기 란자 fine semani dis okay 디 란자 이나 디 3 hours 라 3 hours 가져서 3 by 25 라 3 by 25 이나 좀 가져돼서 3 by 25 the 0.0 25 sorry 1 sa 25 and much nara sunju ni sama and 0 step 2 okay 0.12 chasa dengi answer adine right 1 denote 24 kaso na so 2.88 nesa tai electrical units this nima chikna the answers here are the what the kilowatt la change ya unit change ya chuchu the second la change da so kilowatt a nya ko dora answers okay so the better process answer so the second la change umar kilowatts meaning the rest ta ine na 50 watt the kilowatt la change हो रहा 50 watt kilowatt la change ना 50 divided by 1000 रहा 5 1 से 5 5 2 से 10 ता 1 by 20 लाना 1 divided by 20 लाना 0.0 सा अने 25 sa 100 ra okay 0.05 so 0.05 kilowatt 0.05 kilowatt rata r dikha jure 4 hours ra 4 hours okay ta ditor 제 아니 okay ता 4 into this one 0.05 into 4 4 5s are 20 0 2 4 0 correct 5 4s are 22 4 0 2 20 so that is 0.20 kilowatt अच्छा सा and दिखा रहा है चुचे निमा काचो लसो निमा नहीं लगा 2 days लगा 24 into 2 लगा ना 0.20 into 2 into 24 चला 24 into 2 48 2 4 are 8 2 2 4 48 जैसा 48 into 0.2 0.00 0.20 multiply china 0.00 0.00 sheet जैसा 20 8 2 are 16 2 4 are 8 9 then 0 ni sama 0 rata 0 0069 decimal sheet check Newson sheet 9.6 9.6000 units 2 days like this electrical units consumed the units 9.6000 electrical energy kaji correct SI unit joule calculate the units of energy. Okay, la units tipo mato. Beju tang 9.this. Oh yeah. 差10，它就能。